How I made my Leon Kennedy Halloween costume this year. If you don't know who Leon Kennedy is, he's a character from the hit survival horror video game series Resident Evil. First introduced in 1998 in Resident Evil 2, Leon gained major popularity when he later became the main protagonist in 2005's Resident Evil 4. In 2023, Resident Evil 4 was remade for modern consoles, which is the version of Leon my costume is based on. Featuring his iconic leather jacket, utility belt, holster, and fingerless gloves, I was able to put together much of the needed accessories with some stuff I had laying around. I had a bomber jacket, cargo pants, workout gloves, some old belts, a utility belt I got from Amazon, a leather knife sheath, a side holster I got from Amazon, and of course, that classic 90s haircut. I ordered this wig from Amazon, but out of the box, it looks like a Karen haircut. So after some styling and a little trimming, the hair now looks more accurate to the character. Underneath Leon's jacket, he sports a leather shoulder holster, which also is affixed with a combat knife. Using the leather belts I had, I measured it out to make sure it fit right and then cut them down to size. I used super glue to hold them together and place some clamps on them until the glue was dried. While some versions of Leon feature a 5 o'clock shadow, he is typically seen clean shaven. So, I shaved my face to show commitment to the character. Now, adding a black shirt, cargo pants, holster, leather straps, and gloves, it was time to see how it all looks. Here's the final look with the jacket, and here it is without. But to really get a sense of the costume, let's go test it out in the field. I even practiced Leon's knife swing. I even wore the costume while vending at Famous Monsters Festival, which was really fun working at a convention. And again at a Halloween party. To sell the look even more, I rolled the sleeves of the jacket to match the look of the game. And last but not least, the costume wouldn't be complete without a photo of Ashley Graham.
I was wondering if you might recognize a girl in this photograph.
And that's how I made my Leon Kennedy Halloween costume this year.